Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to find empty cells in Google Sheets. Let's begin. First of all, open your Google spreadsheet. Then find empty cells. Empty. Select. Use column, full column, or use selected column. As you wish. Example, use selected. To this column, hold Control. Then go to Format tab. Use conditional formatting, and I already use select is empty. Select is empty. Then select color. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.